So just got this Jewel Master by Gold Plating Solutions unboxed and set up, and we are going to gold plate some of the first rings. I've got a Superman ring, some test pieces, as well as a sterling silver little heart that is going to be given to my wife. As you can see, we've got them all on here, and then we are going to submerge them into the electro cleaner solution for 15 to 30 seconds. After it is done, you're going to pull it out, let it drip off, and immediately rinse it off. Next, we're going to put this into our surface activator solution. That's going to stay in for 15 to 30 seconds as well. And we go. After about 30 seconds, we will pull this out, immediately rinse it off. Then we're going to drop this into our gold. So we are coming up on 4 minutes. Let's take a look at this. It's got a really nice gold color. I'm gonna leave this in for another 2 minutes. 6 minutes will give it a 1 micron thick layer of gold. All right, it has been 6 minutes. So let's take this out and rinse it. Those look great. Let's take them off, dry them off, and see what they look like under the light. All right, got these dried off, and as you can see, this Superman ring turned out fantastic. I'm very happy with the coverage on this. Looks great. So does this heart. It's for my wife, as well as these test pieces.